My name is Pat Parker, 28 to 35 expert, riding for Answer-Rennen, and this is my bike check. All right, we got this beautiful gold 2015 Ssquared. Just got it, brand new. It's beautiful. Up front, we got Answer Dagger forks, an S&M Race XLT stem, S&M Grand Slam bars. Got, of course, the Answer brake kit, best brakes out there. For wheels, we got Answer Whole Shot wheel set with the Pinnacle rim bands and the beautiful Tioga Power Block tires. For the chainring, of course, we got a Rennen decimal gear. Can't tell you what size. We got some 180 Answer accelerator cranks. Spin beautifully with that ceramic bottom bracket. They come stock with those things. The oldest clip pedals in BMX. Everybody makes fun of them. Best BMX pedals, Shimano. In the back, we got the Whole Shot hub, 204 points of engagement with the Answer chain tensioners. I ain't got no power, but they're on there. And we got the Rennen rear cog.